Good morning, everyone. I am Satyanandan, Chairman IETE Bangalore. At the outset, let me thank the organizers and Train for giving me this opportunity to speak about IETE. IETE is a not-for-profit organization established as a society in 1953. It was inaugurated by the then President, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The mission of IETE is to promote the advancement of electronics, telecommunications, information technology, and other allied disciplines. With this goal in view, the institution organizes regular conferences, conventions, symposia, seminars, and workshops on the topical and current issues relating to technical advances. IET has been recognized as an educational institution of national eminence by Government of India since 1959. It's also a scientific and industrial research organization as defined by the government. With its headquarters at New Delhi, IET has 65 centers, including 2 abroad. The centers in India are clustered as North, South, West, and East zones. IET has on its rolls about 125,000 members, including corporate and student members. In addition, IET has 173 organizational members. Organizational membership of IET is open to educational institutions, R&D organizations, and companies engaged in broad areas of electronics, telecommunications, computer science, and information technology. There are 18 such organizational members attached to IET Bangalore itself, which include Aeronautical Development Agency, Air Force Technical College, CDAC, National Aerospace Lab, and a host of engineering colleges. I shall mention the benefits of becoming an organizational member. One member is elected from among the organizational members to the IET Governing Council for a period of 3 years. All organizational members get invitations to all IET technical seminars, symposia, etc., with complimentary passes for their delegates. An organizational member gets concessional rate for booking IET's auditoria at headquarters and centers and free copies of IET journals. I invite the companies represented here to become organizational members of IET. Together, let's do great things, as our logo exhorts us to. Individuals with engineering degrees are eligible to become corporate members of IET at various levels, depending on their experience and expertise. They can be associate member, or fellow. Honorary fellow is conferred by IET on eminent persons for their outstanding contributions. IET publishes 3 journals which maintain a high level of recognition. These are IET Journal of Research, IET Technical Review, and IET Journal of Education. In addition, there are newsletters and magazines published by the headquarters and centers. IET recognizes outstanding achievements and has instituted awards for best papers published in its journals, awards for student members for academic excellence, cash prizes for winners of National Technical Paper Contest, means cum merit scholarships, research fellowships, and stipends. IET Bangalore has been recognized as a center of excellence. We plan in the very near future to enlarge our existing IoT lab to equip it for conducting certificate courses, establish an augmented reality facility with the help of PTC India, and further establish facilities in embedded systems and for artificial intelligence courses. I invite Industry Leaders Association in all our activities. Already the Bangalore Center is conducting short-term courses, weekend courses, collaborative projects, internship programs, and our much appreciated summer school in electronics and computers for school children. We are always at the service of the student community, working professionals, industry, and the larger society. IET never sleeps. Thank you.